Did your car fall out? We'll put it back in. Good job. Oh, and the hot dog fell out too. Good job. Yeah, close it. You're trying to run me over. Uh-oh. Get up. Get up. There you go. Go in and have some hot chocolate and some fresh blueberry muffins to warm up. You look like you're getting wet and cold. Still going. Whoa! How you doing, Malin? Yeah, I know. It's kind of hard to see with that hood on. Yeah? Is it dirty? Has it got a leaf on it? What is it? Can you show Mama? No? Okay, bye. Malin! Uh-oh. Oh no! Yeah. Is that better? Well, now it's raining on your head. Okay, we won't be out here much longer. Wait, you gotta put your stuff back in. You gotta put your stuff back in your buzz. No. Okay, wait, bye-bye. Malin. B, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Malin! Okay, wait, bye-bye. That was so much fun. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there you go. Yeah! Maybe I'll go get you a hat. Whoa! I can't stop recording.